What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Matt Get the Hands back to you with another video, and this is the official Tomb45 Get Beam Cordless air compressor. And this is gonna basically just be an unboxing, and then I'll show you how it works, everything from the beginning to end. So right out the back, when you open the box, you'll get this pamphlet. I mean, like, the box alone is dope. This is the specs. It's a the charging time is 1.5 hours, right? Hour and a half. There'll be like a blinking light whenever you have it plugged in, and whenever it's fully charged, it'll stop blinking. These are all just like basically the demographics of the whole compressor. And when you open up take off that foam piece, right here in this plastic wrapper, you actually got the compressor. It's not connected, so you do have to connect the gun to it. This is pretty much the body. It has like a nice sparkly finish to it, like a candy paint, I guess you could say. It has the logo on the compressor as well. And this is the air compressor gun. It has a cap on it as well for you to cover your color. And on the trigger right there, you want to, like, I'll show you later on, you kind of push down and pull back in order for the color enhancement to spray out. So right here I'm just twisting it on the actual motor. And this is pretty much the look of the air compressor when it's fully connected together. It is cordless. So alright, so right here, this is 70% alcohol. This is the Kiss Express color that I use, darkest brown and black. This is the container that I put it in. Make sure you have a cap on there, that way you can shake it up real good. This is the bottle that I use. It shows ounces on here. I use a 50-50 solution to it. You know, Bazio and Get Beam have their own solution, but I feel like this works better, you know, for me. Right here I'm just applying it into the compressor. Now you want to make sure you do clean it out after every use. Run water and alcohol through it. That way you clean it out very good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start spraying it right here. And it has 2 different power modes on it. Whenever you turn it on, that's the fastest one. You press it again, and that's like a slower pressure. Now, as you can tell, as you get closer to the paper, of course it's gonna spray darker. When you spray from a distance, it'll spray a little lighter. So depending on how you want the line to come out, make sure you have a certain amount of distance to the client. Alright, so right here I'm just going to show you and demonstrate how it works. I'm using basically like a business card to apply that. There is a line there, but I want to enhance it. It's about a half where I'm applying the color enhancement. I'm not just creating any kind of line. There is a line there already. So just darkening it up a little bit. Here it's kind of like it's like a mohawk, but he wants the V in the back. Doing the same thing on this side. And I'm gonna put the brush on it, and you'll see that it doesn't come off. It just enhances the line.
You're now listening to
There you go.
House of Creation.
Now I'm gonna do the hairline. There is a little bit of hair stubble right there, so his hairline is pretty light, so I'm not gonna push it back. I'm gonna add some color enhancement, and it lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 shampoos. Sometimes I had clients say that it lasted them a week. So it just depends on how much you shampoo or wash your hair. It's not gonna come out when you leave the shop and when rain hits it or whatever. Right here, his hairline is receding right there, so I lined it up with the edger, and I just applied a little bit of the color enhancement, nothing too dark. There is a little bit of a glare right there, so it kind of looks like there's a two-tone, but in a different lighting, it looks like it belongs to, you know, the top of whatever he has. Whatever he has a number 2 on top, so it looks like it belongs to the haircut. But I just enhanced his hairline. That way I darken it up and connect it, make a full connection. And my client loves it. He likes the color enhancement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get you your Get Beam cordless air compressor, man. It's a game changer.